Open the VS Code. Next file will create under this data binding folder.
Recording in progress.
In data binding folder, we are going to see following. This one first. Type of pop-up window. Their alert will come, confirm will come, prompt done. Along with that, we will keep implementing the function and all. So under the data binding folder, create a file popup.html. Popup.html. We'll start from HTML. HTML will come. Here will come. A script will come. Then follow the body will come. Right inside H1 JavaScript and HTML pop-up window example. JavaScript and HTML pop-up window. Next, after that, come down, write a button, or before button you write a paragraph and keep their alert video. Alert function into. Okay, write it is predefined function predefined function used to used to give confirmation message confirmation message to user. It used to give confirmation message to user. Okay, it used to give the confirmation message to user. Which one? Alert. Write the next paragraph. Confirm. It is also built-in function. It is predefined function. It is predefined function used to give, used to ask confirmation from user. Used to ask confirmation from user. Yeah. Hello, madam. Not came at. No, so how shall I connect with the? Next, after that, so the first button will say like your email sent successfully, and second function will say, are you sure you want to send email? So this line what is saying? It used to give confirmation to user. First one. Okay, it will say your account is deleted successfully. That user will understand, oh, account is deleted. Okay, the second one, before deleting, once you click on delete, the second one will ask, are you sure? Okay, if we say okay, then delete will happen. If we say cancel, then it will not. So, are you sure will come from where? Right, one more we have, the third one. Third one we can write beta, right inside called prompt. Prompt. Okay, what it do? It used to ask input from user via pop-up window. Via pop-up window. It used to ask input from user via pop-up window. Right below a BR, here a button. This line you have to see, the table are taken here. No, he can't go inside. No, you come out, then he will go inside. Okay, button alert. Button confirm. FIRM. Or button count. Okay, now right here on click, call a function called one. Here on click, call a function called two. Here on click, call a function called three. Okay, three button and three function. On click is the event that I am going to guide you. On click is the event that we are going to. Okay, so if now you need to go to the script part. Under the script part, we have to write the function 1, 2, and then 3. Write a function let 1 equal to same function how we have written earlier, same way we write now. Right inside a alert. Send success. Simple, you are displaying a message to user. Once you will click on alert button, then you will get a message, hi, your email sent successful. A confirmation message to user. This alert function we can use in multiple cases. Whenever we want to display any information to the user, not after refreshing the page, but just without refreshing the page. Without refreshing the page, if you want to display any message to the user, we can use this. wrote it. Now come down. And function 2 also we have function 3. So first we'll check the function 1. This is HTML file. You can just run this file directly. Run this file directly in the browser. You will get a button. First button alert. Click on that. And before running, you can check once. On click equal to in double quote 1 is written. After that function symbol is given. And then the one function is written here. Under that written for alert in double quote, some message is added. Okay. So now we'll go to the run and run without debugging. See how it is. In the run menu, you have option run without debugging. Okay. One simple button will appear. In that button, you can click on alert. It says hi emails and pop-up. This is called a pop-up window. A window on the top of the current window. Called a pop-up window. Come down, write the second function. Second function, let 2 equal to 2 equal to what is that? It's called a confirm. Confirm. Inside the 2 you will write CONFIR confirm. Assume user is going to do some risk related work. User is going to do some risk related work. He is going to delete something. He is going to drop something. So in that case, before doing the final action, we should have a confirmation from user. Okay, we should take a confirmation from user. So we wrote confirm right here. Are you sure? Are you sure to delete a question mark? It will come with the 2 button, OK and cancel. OK, what it represents, we will see. Cancel what represents, we will see. But in prompt, if confirm, you will have 2 button, OK and cancel. Okay, the hope added. If the second button click, what is happening? It asks, are you sure to delete? OK and cancel. Next, we need to find out when we click OK, what will happen? When we click cancel, what will happen? Okay. So for that, we need to store the action of the user in a variable. Let A equal to something. So whether user click on OK button or cancel button, it will go to where? A variable. Then after that, alert A. Alert A. A is a variable, so don't put in double quote. Simple alert A. Okay, getting OK button click, what comes? OK button click, it return as a true. Cancel button click, it return as a cancel button click, it return as a false. OK button once you click, it return true. Cancel button click, it will return as a false. Okay, we'll go for the next one. So right inside the third function. Third function, let 3 equal to right, let A equal to prompt. Let A equal to prompt. Enter your name. Enter your name. Alert, your name is plus A. So now comma will not work. Comma work only in the JS file. If you are running from the CMD, we have to write call plus now. Immediately not ask. But I came here, then you ask. Then after that, you will ask. No. One. One. Either is right to click. Then E, yes, remove E. On top also. It's part function. Okay, so it was working. Yes. Outer one. Between the row. confirm we have written inside the confirm will be no or the code. Which is first proven. Let me know. First time that it becomes. Okay, so work for all, right? This next after this we can write the next example. Next example is related to event. Using mouse, what are the activity you can do in JavaScript? And using keyboard, what are the activity you can do in JavaScript? Okay, so using mouse, we can do the click, we can do the double click, we can do the mouse move, we can do the mouse out, something. I'll show you the list and then we'll implement it. Okay, so now look into this syllabus file. Mouse event, we are going to see what is that. Under the event, we have major two category. One, when you are going to use a system, inside the system, any software will execute. So when you interact with the software using your system, like suppose this page you have created. You created this previous page. Previous page you created. After that, you are running your particular page under this laptop. Okay. So as a user, how you are going to interact with this page? As a user, how you are going to interact with this page? So when interaction will happen, user like we are interacting with the user interface through the keyboard or through the mouse. That only know when you open the website, how you operate the website. Either use the keyboard or use the mouse. Right? So one side is a website, another side is the user. Now user is going to interact with the website. So for that we require a input devices. We require a terminal. Then only we can connect with the UI. We can interact with the UI. So when the user interaction happen to the UI, like suppose myself, I am interacting with this page where using the button mouse I am going to click here. So when I click here, that becomes one interaction. Okay. So when I click here, then only this alert came. Alert has not come without click. Alert came after click. So the user is interacting with the UI through a mouse. Okay, through a mouse. Or user will interact with the UI through the keyboard. You will fill the form. You will write your name. Okay. So that type of interaction, will be called as an event. Type of interaction will call as an event. Now look at here in this file. One place is written one place is written called on click. Now type of interaction meaning is what? Like suppose you go to the ATM machine, you cannot operate the ATM machine from your eyes, no? Or will you operate through eyes? You look at the button, button will click. Look at the particular button, something will happen. Look at the text box, something will happen like that. No, you interact with their keyboard, then only, or you interact with the touch screen, right? So when you interact with the touch screen, either you interact with the keyboard or you interact with the touch screen. Wherever you interact, that is called what? Input part. That is called the input device. Through that interaction is going to happen. Now, how you are interacting, that is called the event. In this list is written one place, user will interact with the software using the mouse, where using mouse he will do the click. Using mouse he will do the click. So user interaction happened to the application using the mouse, where click was the event. Okay. Now the same user in the same website, in the same page, user will do, can you see this one called DBL click? That is called what? Double click. So here one place user interacting through the single click, another interacting through the double click. The type of interaction, how you are interacting with the UI, that is called event in the term of JavaScript. Okay, one line answer you can give to anyone if anyone asks, what is the event in JavaScript? We can say the type of user interaction with the UI is called the event in JavaScript, where the user can interact with the keyboard or through mouse. Using mouse, they can do following things, and using keyboard, they can do the following things. And that type of interaction will be called an event, where in the term of JavaScript. Okay, we'll write this automatically will come to now. Okay, so now first we are going to implement this one called mouse related. Okay, till date you have used 100 plus website, 200 plus website. Everywhere, whenever you interact and open the website, you use the mouse. You will say in my laptop mouse is not there. Your touchpad is mouse, yeah. In the laptop you have touchpad, no, that is called what? Internal mouse, correct? So we should not say mouse is not there. Mouse is there, but it is called the internal mouse. Come now. So using the mouse, we can click somewhere, we can double click somewhere, we can click somewhere, and we can double click somewhere. And after that, another one you can see mouse down. Mouse down is nothing but left click will also work, right click will also work. That is called mouse down. Another one is called mouse move. Mouse move. Okay. So when you move the mouse cursor point from one location to other location, JavaScript will come to know your mouse is moving. That is called a what? Event. Okay. Another one, see here, called mouse out. Mouse out. Like suppose your mouse is within a division, and once your cursor will go out of the division, JavaScript will come to know your mouse went out of the division. Okay. That is called on mouse out. Another one we have called on mouse enter. Like suppose you have a division and mouse is somewhere else. As soon as the mouse will try to touch that division part, okay, JavaScript will come to know your mouse is trying to enter under the division. That is called on mouse enter. Okay. On Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, here and there, whatever the activity you do, all they'll come to know. Okay. How many times you did right click, and how many times you try to move your mouse on certain location, or how many times you try to move your mouse on add to cart. Okay. If they want to know, they will come to know. Okay. Correct. Where you open the website, how long you are there, what are the pages visited, what is the browser, what is your you can say computer OS, okay, which internet you are using, what lat, what long, okay, which city, each and everything JavaScript will inform to whom? Backend. Okay. That is the value of which one? JavaScript. Okay, when you sit in a cab and then you mark a location, the cab driver is from Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, where they are, if you don't know, but they will just take the steering and reach to your location. Correct? Which one will help? Map will help, right? Map entire project is developed using JavaScript. Okay, right? So JavaScript is available everywhere. Okay, come now. So we'll create a file called mouseevent.html. Mouseevent.html. Create a file mouseevent.html. We can write inside the file. So those files you are creating under the data binding only, no? Mouseevent.html. Mouseevent.html. Okay. You will open the HTML. You will follow the head. You will follow the script, and then you will come down and you will follow which one? Body. You will follow the body. Now under the body, you will write call h1 mouse event example. JavaScript like the cookie agency. Cookie agency, what is it? Something called in English. Okay. So what it will do, you will not come to know what you did, and you will not come to know where the information sent. Okay. Your page will be same, and after that, okay. So mouse event example. Come down below. Write a button. Send. Okay, 8 minutes. Any charger is making disturbance. Can we remove the middle charger ones? Put in another one, another socket. Oh, the first one you have used, right? Remove from the first. No, that one yours. Remove that and keep in the middle somewhere. Not in that third one. Use that. On that one for her also. On, yeah. You made it on. Your that one, the first one. Okay. Now button. Single click. Single click. Double click. Single click and double click. Right. On single click you write on click equal to call a function call one, and here on DBL click call the function one only. Both place we are calling the same function, function one and function one. Now go under the JavaScript. Right here, let one equal to console.log I the click happened. Right, the click happened. And the click happened. Okay. Next, after that, before function one, you create a variable. Let a equal to 100 and do the addition here of a. So it will print always the click happen. The click happen, and in the last word it will print 100. And after that, do a plus plus. Means increase the a by 1. Okay. Reason to create the let a variable outside because we made it a global variable. That global variable can be used inside the function and can be used out of the function. If you create the a variable inside, then every click it remains same. Every click it remains same. What is that remain same? See here. When I click on this button, this function will call and it will come and it will print the value of a 100. It will come down and a will increase by how much? 1. If you click next time, the a is not 100, a become 101 because your next call your function will be starting from here. It will not come from the beginning. If it will come from beginning, then again a will be how much? 100. Next click a will become 103. Next click a will become 104. Okay. If I cut this line and paste inside, what you will do every time? You will click on button, function will call, and a will be how much? 100. 100 will print. Again you will click, function will come, and a equal to how much? 100. You have increased in the bottom, but again the value will get replaced by how much? Previous one. Like every time the variable will get redeclare. Not redeclare, you can say. Variable is declared, the value will get changed. Value will get changed. Here 100 will get printed, and after that a equal to plus means 100 becomes 101. Again, next you call the function, it will not give the 101. Why? Because a will reassign with how much? Again 100. Okay. Because of that, what I have done, I have written this function, written this variable out of the script, so that whenever you click, the value will get increased, and you will come to know, okay, click happen. Run this file, output where it will come, I'll write you. So first run in the browser. Okay, now come to the browser. Let me run this file. You can go here and do the right click. You will find option called inspect. Click on inspect. It will go in the right side by default. Let it go. You can increase this area. This way you can increase and decrease little. Okay. Next you click on this called console. Click on console. Okay. In CMD the output was coming before. Now those output will come under the console. Okay. Now you click on first button. So you got the console. Now you click on first button and see. It will say the click happen and how much? 100. Click again. Click happen 101. Click happen 102. Click happen. How many times you click, the value will keep incrementing by 1, and console.log will also come here. Correct? There is here called that circle symbol. You can see, using that you can clear everything. Circle symbol is there. You can click on that. All messages will get clear. Now first button is click and second button is double click. Okay. Click and then double click. Click and then double click. Double click. Second will print you if you do the double. Compare, no, this is the code. So everything is same. Check again. Everything is same. Then we should offer one value to JavaScript. Although A equal to 100, very the same. Then let A equal to is there. So you don't guess A equal to is not there. Not A, 1 equal to. 1 equal to. That is the message. Okay, come next. So print it for all. So single click and double click. Now if anyone asks here, what is the event? Okay, if I say the type of user interaction with the UI is called the event in JavaScript. Look at here. What we are doing? First button, single click. Second button, double click. Correct? So interaction is same or different? User interaction is here, same or different? How same here? Mouse is same, computer is also same. But one place single click, another place double click. That is not same interaction. That is a different interaction. Okay, that is a different interaction. Okay, come. You will write another function. You will come to know. Let's go here. Create the next button. This is just I'm showing you the syntax of how events work. You should clear an event. Okay, event how it works. Then we can apply anywhere. Okay, on mouse down, on mouse down, on mouse down. What it says? It says like whether you do the left click or you do the right click. The right click. Both the click is valid here. Left click will also work. Right click will also. Save now. Okay, on mouse down equal to, we wrote the function one, whether do the left click or right click, no problem, it will work. So let me go to the browser now. And we have here, do the left click, then also happening. Do the right click, then also happening. Right click on this. Right click. Do the left click as well as right. First, when you do the right click, it will get print here. Then only something will come here. Right click. Okay. Create the next one. That is called on mouse down. On mouse down. Down next. Okay. Next we have called on mouse enter. On mouse enter. As soon as the mouse will touch the button, event will get fired. So you can write here on mouse enter. On mouse enter. On mouse enter. On mouse enter. Okay, coming next. See how that works. Mouse enter represent. You are trying to step into a house. As soon as your first step will come inside the house, what will happen? Event will get fired. Once you come inside the house, after that there is no matter of event. Event will fire when? As soon as your cursor is trying to enter under the area. Okay, so this is the button. As soon as my cursor will touch, you will find in the right side event will get fire. Okay. But after going inside, if you move the mouse here and there, no problem. See, event happen printed. Now, if I move the mouse inside the button area, there is no any kind of event calling. Event is calling? No. When it happen, only one time. When the cursor has tried to come inside. When I go out also, no problem. But when I come in inside, when my cursor will try to come in, you can see. Correct. That is called as what? On mouse enter. You have used already many places, but you are not aware of, or I don't know. When you go to the Flipkart, you click on a product. Correct. Product. When you click on a product, their details will come. In the left hand side, so many photo will be there. Will be there or not? When you click on the photo, then photo appear. Don't click, just touch by mouse. Mouse will go to first photo, will appear in the right. Second photo will appear in the right. Third photo will appear. That is called as what? On mouse enter. As soon as your mouse will touch the image, JavaScript will call and the particular photo will be displaying under the right side. How it will display, we'll learn in JavaScript. Okay? But that is called on mouse enter. Okay? Come next. Right, another one, just reverse of that. On mouse out. When the mouse will come in, no problem. When the mouse will move out from the area, then the alert will happen. Event will happen. On mouse out. On mouse out. Move mouse out after in. After in. So first you in and then move out. Event is called on mouse out. On mouse out. Let me show you. When we go here, mouse will come in, no problem. Mouse came in, no problem. Mouse is moving inside, no problem. Event is not fire at all. When the event will fire, once the cursor will go out of the button. So you can see, once the cursor come out, then event. That is called on mouse out. Okay. First one is called on mouse in, and second one is called on mouse out. Correct. Now using JavaScript, you can identify each and every activity of the user or not. You created a page and one button is there called buy now. And on buy now button, you apply both the event. Which one? On mouse enter and on mouse out. Okay. Okay, I'll guide you how to apply multiple event for one button. That is called event listener. And then when the user will think, let me click here, mouse will go there, but the user pocket will say, no, don't click now, money is there. That meaning what will happen? Information will go to the backend. Your information will go to JavaScript. And JavaScript using API or using Ajax, it will send the information to backend. Right? Now, abuse management team will log in or analytics team will log in the backend application. Then they'll come to know in particular photo, particular product. from particular IP, from particular location, particular here and there. Okay, one user has moved the mouse 3 times. He was trying to click, but he has not clicked. Okay. If you click, then add to cart will happen. They will come to know solid. Yes, you have moved the mouse, then only you have clicked. Correct? If you delete from the cart, then also the people will come to know you have added in the cart and later you deleted it. Okay. So those entire information will get posted to a. Okay. Now come. So mouse enter we understood and mouse out we understood. Now another one we have called on mouse move. Okay. So first to get idea of this, let me show you. See, when the mouse enter, event happen how many times? Only one time. After moving inside, mouse is moving here, there, no event at all. Okay. Here, in this case, mouse will enter, no event. Do anything, no event, no problem, no event at all. When the cursor will go out, then event happen. Okay. The third event we have on mouse move. Whenever the cursor will change the position, whenever you change the cursor position 1 pixel. Okay, as soon as the cursor position will change, JavaScript will come to know mouse is moved. That is called on mouse 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖓𝖚𝖗𝖓𝖌. That is called on mouse move. Okay, so let's write one more button called on mouse move. On mouse move. On mouse move. Move mouse here. Move mouse here. Move mouse here. Okay. You will see how many pixel you change the cursor position, cursor pointer, that many times should print in the console. That many times the alert should event should fall. Run the page and move your mouse on the button. Move your mouse on button. Can you change it happen? Let's go here and see the page first. Okay. Mouse try to enter inside, then also event happen. See, while entering the mouse has changed the position 2 times. So 2 times event got gone. Again, the mouse will try to change the position. See how many pixels the cursor has moved. That many times event is called. Okay. Now see again. If I move this mouse from beginning to last, let me refresh once, and then I'll start from beginning. See, it happened. 108, and then from here let me go till end and understand how many pixels till here. Okay, see it's saying called how many 93 means represent how many times the mouse was moved, somewhere 70 sorry 80 93 85 times, correct? 85 pixel the mouse has moved, 85 times the function is called. Okay. Now suppose you write a functionality on mouse move, and user will come and start the moving like this. Start the moving mouse like this. Now what will happen? How many times the cursor will move? That many times JavaScript will call, and that many times JavaScript will send the information to backend. Backend will be in the trouble. Backend will say, sorry, yaar, you are hitting me too many times. Right? The server will be down. You can log. Okay, come next. Next, we have one more call on change. Okay. Select open and select close. SCLECT, select open, select close. Go inside option open and option close. Right there called choose. Right inside 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 you can add Bangalore, maybe. Okay, and call here on change. Call the function. Which one? One. Function one. You can call here. Okay, and see once. Okay. On change. On change, what will happen is, see like this. On change, it will happen like this. Let me put a BR here first, so that line break will happen properly. Okay. So when I refresh this page, it's here. Okay. When I change anything from here in this drop down, whenever I change anything, you can see it's up here. Again, I'll change. One more time it will come. Again, I'll change. One more time it will come. How many times it change? That many times the function will call. Okay.
So it will be changing and it can change it can be changed infinite times.
And number of times it change. What is the problem? How many times will change? That many time alerts here. It will display in the right side. That many time alert will come. But same Bangalore you cannot change again. Event will not fire. Change meaning is what? Not the same. Change meaning other.
Change.
Okay. Change meaning other. Change meaning other, not the same. Select the same and leave the same. That is not called change. That remains same. Okay. So this event is clear. On click, on double click, on mouse down, on mouse enter, on mouse move, on mouse out, something on change. Okay. These all are useful events we will be using further everywhere. Okay. Next, we have keyboard related. Keyboard related events we have that I think we can see tomorrow. Keyboard events, and then we'll enter under this area. This area, keyboard event, and this on submit I'll guide you while doing the form validation. On load event as well as on keyboard event will see, and then this is the big area. These 3 lines is written, no? That is the big area. Okay, so in that you are going to spend many days, and there you are going to understand all the way how can you send the data to JavaScript, and all the way how can you receive the data from JavaScript. Okay. In that only, while implementing inner HTML, inner text, inner value, this will come. This will come. This will come. This will come. In this, we will be spending somewhere 6-7 classes, including this too. And if you are clear in that, then you will get very good idea in JavaScript. Okay. There only complexity starts. But the term condition is only one. In the JavaScript, those part you are little absent, that was okay. But from tomorrow onwards or today onwards, don't be absent. Reason is what? Data binding is going to help you a lot. Okay. There, every possibility you will learn, sending the value, receiving the value. If one day you are absent, means one point will mess up. Next day will be little difficult. Online, offline, anything you attend, but attend. Okay. So always. Which one?
This.
Not required. I'll send you the syllabus. Okay then. Thank you. See you tomorrow. In the syllabus, short lines are written. In the syllabus, short lines are written. Okay. I have written that file as per my understanding. In one line, there will be 10 examples. In one line, there will be 10 examples that we see. Okay. I sent you that file, you download it instead. Where is your friend? What was his name? Prasant. Hometown. That is the only problem. Okay. Problem is not like